Hi there, Melody from WTI.
What does peace and quiet mean to you? Well, to the company PQ, it means just that. They've made these amazing silicone earplugs that you're going to fall in love with. Super easy to put in your ears. You just roll up the silicone to warm it up, and then you put it in your ear, and it fits right inside the canal, forming a nice fitted plug. One of the best things about these is that when you do take them out, it still has the formation of the inner ear, and you're not going to have the irritation and hurt that a lot of the other earplugs leave after you've worn them for the night. My husband found that when he turned on his side, he didn't even notice that he had an earplug in his ear. I love that these can even fit children. They're perfect for them. They're good for swimming, for showering, keep that inner ear dry. These PQ earplugs come in different colors. You have so many choices. We are very impressed with them.
But that's our point of view.